first day of practice. And we have here in the red stripe on the black leather pants, number 99. I think that is John Humphrey. And if I got that wrong, my apologies. And if somebody knows otherwise, please leave me a comment and let me know so I can correct that. We have some new racers. And sometimes they switch bikes and leather, so it's hard to recognize them. I know just about all of the racers, and you will hear this so many times, that it is like a family reunion. Everybody loves one another, tries to help each other out, and you will hear this so many times from so many people here at this event. It's a really tight-knit group, and we all try to help each other out and do whatever it takes to get bikes going around here. And the bike that just went by with all the black leather, his black bike, is Nick Hunter Jr. is on the number 39 bike, and him and his dad both race here, and they are also just great people and great racers. And it's so hard to tell them apart sometimes because they both wear black on a black bike. Nick Sr. is on the 88 bike, but Jr. is getting out there and he's getting on it right now. Checking the bike out to see how it runs. Him and his dad will be doing this. They just run the bikes, take them out, bring them back in, fine tune them, and hopefully it makes it. They can make the corrections and get it right for when it counts on race day. There goes Shad Reed. And we have Nick Hunter. And now here comes the heavy hitters. We've got Alma Tomowitz on the number 20 bike. And I believe she's on a engine that was built by Michael Lang last year. So it'd be interesting to keep an eye on her, see how that goes. Here's Mark Gudrow on number 78. There's Crazy Chuck. Crazy Chuck's on the 9907. Michael Lang is on number 50, and here comes Nathan Grubb on the 35. And these guys are fun to watch. This is when the practice really starts to get heated up, and you'll see them doing a few slower laps, but then in turn 4, and hasn't been back. Prayers with Josh. We hope he gets fully recovered so he can get back to racing. I've talked to him a few times since then. We miss him. Them Moonshiner boys are a little crazy, but crazy fun. Crazy Chuck does have his own brand of moonshine that he sells called Purple Jesus. And he does a lot of different events selling his moonshine t-shirts and hats. And when we were during the Asheville disaster, I was able to hook up a truckload of sleeping bags for Crazy Chuck to take to some of the people in the Asheville, North Carolina area. Compliments of Duke Energy. Between the three of us, we made that happen. And Chuck went out of his way in a time of disaster and took time out to come pick up some sleeping bags from the care center where they can get properly dispensed. Great guy. Number 35. And as always, I'd like to thank you for watching the Ride with Dirty Harry. You're riding with me. And got a lot more Sons of Speed video coming up. Please, if you do like the video, make some comments. Make comments if you don't like the video. But like and subscribe if you would, please. Subscribers are what helps keep this channel going. Got a lot of money, time, and invested into this, and trying to recover some of my expenses. I'm also going to be posting some Easy Rider videos, And I also do a lot of motorcycle trips, which was actually what this channel was started for, with places I go, people I stop and see. And if you enjoy what you're watching, ride safe out there, and we'll see you on the next video. Or maybe we'll see you on the road. Thanks for watching.